Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mega Mind Affairs, and then I'm back again with another video for you guys. And then I want to just do a recap of my trade today, and I want to show you guys what I saw while I took my trade. I took 3 trades today, just 3 trades. I didn't feel like trading today, but because today's Monday, and I got in on 2 trade opportunities. I want to show you guys on how I got into those trades. And then one of the things I want you guys to take home from this video is how I use how I use the fundamentals to build a story around price every day. So in a few minutes I'm going to be showing you how to do that, using the fundamentals to build a solid trade idea, by the day. So stay with me so that you get what I'm trying to say. So every time, any day I hop on my charts, every day I'm on seats. What I want to do is I want to check the fundamental, what is the fundamental saying. And of course I know that a lot of people have always check Forex Factory to see if there's any high impact news coming or any news events that is going to have strong impact in the market, so they tend to avoid the market. But then that's not the case for me. I don't always look out for high impact news. Of course these are very important to look out for it, but then I also look out for this particular news called PMI. I've observed it, watched it closely. There are days where we don't necessarily have any high impact news events, but then you find out that the price moved in a certain way. We're wondering if it was a news event that happened, but then you cannot just place your hands on what happened in the market and made price moved that aggressively. So then this is what I want you guys to take home for today's video. Always look out for that kind of news. It's called PMI. When you have multiple PMI news events in a row, it means that 70% of the time price is going to move heavily. You may not see the red news, but you're wondering why price is moving heavily. So these are the things I've observed about the PMI news events. They may not be red news events, they may not be high impact news events as you see on the Forex Factory, but then these news events have a lot of volatility. So you want to be careful, you want to look out for it every time. And something I observe about PMI news events is that they always follow the order flow of the market. They always follow the order flow of the market. So you want to trade in the direction of the order flow anytime you see PMI news events coming up like that. So I'm going to show you guys the Forex Factory, but today there was no PMI news events. So today there was no news events, no high impact news events today. So anytime we don't have any high impact news events, one of the things I want to do is I want to stay with price. I want to just trade the liquidity levels that are available. I want to just trade in the liquidity levels that are available in the market. So I don't want to do so much. I just want to look at the liquidity levels for intraday, and I just trade them. I'm in and I'm out. If I get in on a very good place and I know the price is going to continue moving from there, I'm just going to hold the positions. So during low volatility, days like this, you just want to be in and out because price is going to build enough liquidity for days that have, or days that are more volatile days, like the CPI, the NFPs, and all the FOMCs and stuff. So this is Forex Factory, guys. And what you want to do is you come on Forex Factory This is Monday, the March 4th. There's no high impact news except for CHF. I don't trade CHF. I only trade Euro USD, GBP USD. These are the two pairs I trade. So there's no high liquidity news events here. So what you just want to do when there's no high volatility news events, you just want to trade the liquidity levels available on the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and all of those stuff. Yeah, so you don't want to do so much. Except for these that have PMI. Now, this is Tuesday, which is going to be tomorrow. We have a whole lot of PMI news events. I said I've watched this. I've studied this news event. They may not have. It may not be red impact news. There are yellow boxes here and orange boxes, but then you find out that they have volume. They move the market a whole lot of the time. So you want to be careful. You want to always trade from high, especially 4-hour levels when there's a news event like this. So you want to trade from higher time frame levels. Very, very important. So for tomorrow, you want to be looking at 4-hour levels, higher time frame liquidity levels, just so that you can trade from there and be safe. So like today, Monday, there was no high impact news event, so I just wanted to trade from the liquidity levels available. So let's hop on the chart so that I show you guys how I got in on my trades today. So cool. Where is that? All right, this is 7 o'clock. My day. All right. So what did I see? 7 o'clock. So this was 7 o'clock my time. So 7 o'clock, I want to mark out the liquidity levels that are available at the moment. So we have these hard time frame liquidity levels. We have all of these liquidity levels above. Yeah. So you want to pay attention to these liquidity levels. So these are the things. This is also one of the things I want you to note. When there is no high impact news events, you don't expect price to just break hard time frame levels as though there's nothing there. So price most often wouldn't do that. What they will do is they'll come around those levels and create liquidity and then later take it out during high impact news. So you don't expect price to just come and take out all of these highs and take out all of these lows during low volatility times. You don't expect swing levels, higher time frame swing levels to be taken. So that's the reason why I trade just the internal liquidities I find or the recent obvious liquidity that I find on the chart. So cool. Let's just go into it and see. So this 7 o'clock and my liquidity levels have been marked out. I have this guy, my eyes is on this guy. I have these guys here. I have this guy here. So let's go down to 10 minutes and see what the price is. So we found out that price, at this level, respected these levels, and then was coming for this guy. Remember, double breaks, we have multiple breaks here, so this becomes a sell leg. Yeah, so we're waiting for price to take out this sell leg, and then we have a massive push towards the downside. But what happened was that price took out the sell leg, and then sold during London. So let's see what happened during London. So we had price come into these levels here. Price took out this was London, and then from London you could see, okay, what other sell leg do we have? We have this sell leg here, price getting double breaks at this level. So we have this sell leg. This would have been a valid sell opportunity for you if you know how to get in. Sorry, change this guy here. like my charts simple and clean. All right, so cool. You can get in on these levels if you know how to do that. Then we have this buy leg created on the 5 minutes. I love the 5 minutes a lot. So we have this buy leg created on the 5 minutes. Let me show you guys. Price took out these levels, so kind of a valid buy leg, breaking towards the upside. So cool. Sorry, let me get that out of the way. What's happening here? Alright, so we have this buy leg here. We have this buy leg here. So we have a sell leg, we have a buy leg. So this was Frankfurt, London. So if you traded London, this would have been a very good opportunity for you to get in. I'm not going to be talking much about the entries because this is my source, what I do. So I don't want to talk much about it. So cool. Nice entry for a sell here, and also this the nice sell opportunity after this highs we're taking. Nice sell opportunity. So cool. What did I now do? I didn't trade London. I just didn't feel like trading London. So after price took out this high here, price sold towards the downside, came for this buy leg, swept it, and then we had this nice reaction towards the upside. So I came in here at New York. Then I saw the opportunity. And what did I do? I took advantage of this opportunity. All right. I'm not going to be sharing so much, but trust me, if you understand this buy leg and sell leg stuff I just mentioned, you are going to be 70% in the right direction of knowing where the market is going to go to and knowing the liquidity levels the market is going to be targeting and stuff like that. So cool. When price came into these levels, what did I see? I wanted to see, and trust me, this was a valid sell leg, because price took out this liquidity, took this out also. So price came here. Now, mind you, when you have a sell leg that had taken liquidity before, sometimes price wouldn't have to take that sell leg entirely, or you have to move. So note that, that was just, I gave you guys the sauce. So when you see a sell leg that had taken major liquidity, sometimes you don't expect price to further take that leg, whether it's a sell leg or a buy leg. So what happened was I hopped on my 1 minute just to find my entries. Now I know that I was in a higher time frame or a strong sell leg area, so I want to see what price did. Price created 1 minute buy leg here, created 1 minute sell leg here. So we had this 1 minute sell leg, which further confirmed my sell from this area. So as soon as price swept it here, then I waited to see what price would do. Price further created a sell leg here. Mind you, this was a buy leg here. A buy leg here. And so what happened was that price came to mitigate and then further, but as soon as price took out the sell leg at this point here and closed, I got in. I think I got in here. That's again a stop loss just above 3 pips. Bad. Not even up to 3 pips. I don't think it was up to 3 pips. Around somewhere around these areas. That was a hard stops. So my target was actually this low. I was targeting these lows here. These areas. It was not bad. So I targeted this liquidity level here. So cool. That was actually my first target, and then eventually this lose. Then what happened was that because we are at in New York session, so there's a high possibility or probability that price is going to, want to target that higher time frame liquidity levels from probably an internal structure. So what I did was, as soon as price took out, remember my buy leg, I told you this was my buy leg when price created. As soon as price took out this buy leg here, I got in on this one here, got in on stop loss just below 2 pips, and then I was targeting the higher time frame liquidity from that area, but I broke even at this point when price got here. I broke even because I know I was trading from the middle, so I wouldn't want to take a loss from that area. So when I saw that price was finding difficult to, I was more sell biased than buy biased at this point. So what I did was, when price sold aggressively, took out this structural level here, what I did was that I found this guy here. I may not be saying much about this. Found this guy. Many of you guys know that. So not this guy. Actually, it was this guy here. Here. So I saw this guy. I had my sell limits here on this guy. And price came here, triggered me. I had my 2 pip stop here. And check that on my IG. Link in my channel. You can check out these trades. My IG. So I took these trades, the entry, the stop losses. You can see them. So I got in here. Price came, triggered me to sniper entry, and just melts toward the downside. So when price got to these levels here, I took 90% of my positions at this level. Took 90% of my position at this level, and then I was done for the day, because I really didn't want to trade today. I wanted to rest. So this was a very beautiful buy opportunity here. So price created a buy leg at this point at a very strong zone, strong buying area, buy leg area that took out liquidity. I told you guys, when it takes out liquidity, it doesn't necessarily have to sweep again. So what happened was that price came and did a buy leg here, which further confirmed the buy bias at this point. You could see that here. Sorry, I don't know why I'm experiencing that. Alright, so cool. Have multiple breaks here. Price came and swept it here. I was not on seat, or that this would have been a very good entry. So we had this after the close of this guy here. I would have jumped in at this point. Yeah, this was beautiful. 3.5 pips, 2.5 pips, 3 pips, not bad. So targets, if we are buying from these areas, if price is coming from this higher time frame buy area here, where would you think price will be targeting? Price will be targeting these heights and probably coming for higher time frame liquidity levels here. See that now? So if I was buying from there, trust me, this would have been my targets. Yeah, this would have been my targets. Whatever. Alright, so this would have been my targets, and then there are a lot of re-entries here. I won't talk about that. A lot of re-entries at this point, but let's just stick to this one. So this were the 3 trades I took. I did on this one, and why this one was an absolute banger. We had how many R here? We had 6 R, close to 7 R here. We had 6.5 R here, and this was a break-even trade, and that was it for me. trading New York session. And I hope you found this video helpful, and then I'll keep making videos like this for you guys to help you guys trade better, spot liquidity levels better, understand price better, and all of this stuff. Please, you want to do me a favor by liking this video, sharing this video. It helps the algorithm so that other traders can see it. You want to subscribe, you want to just help me push this channel. It encourages me to do more of this kind of video for you guys, and then we learn from each other. And then tell me what you think on the comment section. Engage me. I'm going to respond to you. Let's have fun. So from me, it's bye for now. So you guys should watch out for tomorrow. Be careful with PMI news. I just gave you, this is my discovery. I didn't learn it from anywhere. I'm just telling you, I've studied that news event. It always happens like that. So please watch out for PMI. It may not necessarily be a high volatility news event, but trust me, it has some level of volume. So please guys, like I said, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Peace out.